Hey you guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm going to show you exactly how I did this super cool sleek ponytail. Ideal for if you have somewhere to go, but you don't have time, which is most of my life. Okay, so let's get into it. First, I'm going to oil my hair with this blooming oil. It's a very good hair growth elixir, and right now I'm going through postpartum, so if you can tell, I'm losing hair at the temples of my hair, so I'm just being extra with my treatments on my scalp and just giving it some extra love. So I'm just parting the parts about 1/2 inch, and I'm going to do the same from the front of my hair, and I'm going to massage it in, just give myself some love. Now I'm going to take the oil and put it all over the ends of my hair. One squeeze should be good enough. Then we're going to move on to the sculpting. I just take my foam and I put it all over the back of my hair. Right now I'm half relaxed and half natural, so you'll see wavy hair and straight hair. Like, I got a lot going on. Now I'm going to take my hard brush and just smooth my hair out and put it in a ponytail. Now I'm going to take the loose ends of my hair and braid it into one braid. As you can see, this braid is not the neatest braid, but I mean, it'll do. Once you have your braid, oh, yeah, I didn't contour, so I had to catch that. Let me clean this up. Okay. All right, we're good. So now we're going to take our 20-inch kinky straight hair. Look how beautiful this hair is. I just love it. I could not wait to use this hair, and I really didn't know how I was going to style it, but yeah, I just thought, let me do a ponytail. Now with this look, you start at the end of the braid and you work your way up. And the method I'm using is the sew-in method. I've seen the glue method before, but I just feel like that's a lot more messy, and also you really can't reuse it after that. Once I'm done with this, I'll be able to take it down no problem, put it back up whenever I want to, or use it in a different style. But yeah, so basically you're going to take your wefts and wrap them around the braid. And about every 4th wrap around, you're going to sew it onto your braid. I like to go into my weft and through the braid and come out. And that's pretty much it. You don't have to sew with every wraparound. Just do it about the 4th time, like I said before, and work your way all the way to the top, and use that entire bundle. Once you're done, you're going to tie it in a knot and clip off the excess string. So now, taking my next bundle, we are going to add on to that and finish it off. I actually used 2 full bundles, and voila! Look how easy that was. So very easy. Now you have full luscious hair and you're ready to go. You can style the front part however you want. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, hit me up in the comments. Thank you guys.